Good morning, students. If you are watching my channel, please like it, and to get new notification, please subscribe it. So in the previous videos, we have solved section A part. Now we will be continuing it. So next question is from section A, that is question number 11. Please read.
Ram, Rahul and Rohit shared a bag of marbles. The bag contained 272 marbles. How many marbles were left over after the friends shared them equally?
So what is the question here? There were three friends, Ram, Rahul and Rohit. So total marbles were 272. They have to share equally. So three friends are there. Means you have to divide 272 marbles equally. So divide it by 3. And how many marbles were left out? So you divide first. 3 9s are 0. So each friend will get a 90 marbles and there will be 2 left out. So remainder will be 2. So after sharing equally, the 2 marbles will be left out. So here what they have asked? Left out marbles. So don't tick out 90. You have to tick 0 here. So question asked was how many marbles were left over. So only 2 marbles were left over. So this is the correct answer. 2 is the correct answer. Now read the next question. Cost of
4 dozen bananas of apple and
the cost of 4 dozen bananas is rupees 60. How many bananas can be purchased for rupees 12.50? So in each dozen, you will be having 12 bananas. So for 4 dozen, you will be having a 4 into 12. That
48
is
bananas.
48 bananas. So 48 bananas are for rupees 60. 48 bananas will be for rupees 60. So for 1 rupee, you will be getting how many bananas? For 1 rupees, we will be getting 48 by 60. What they have asked for rupees 12.50. For rupees 12.50, we will be multiplying this 48 by 60 into 12.50. So what we will get here? 12 4s are 12 5s are again 5 1s are 5 2s are 5 5s are 0. 2.50 into 4. 25 4s are 100. 0. 2 decimals 10. So answer is 10. For the 12.50, we will be purchasing 10 bananas. So option A is correct. That is 10 bananas. Now we will see the next question. That is 13th one.
The average weight of 16 boys in a class is 50.25 kg and that of the remaining 8 boys is 45.15 kg. Find the average weight of all the boys in the class.
So in this question what they have given? Average weight of 16 boys and the average weight of 8 boys. So you have to find the average weight of whole class. So you cannot add 50 and 45. Here you have to find average weight of total 16 boys. So first total weight of 16 boys will be total weight of 16 boys will be 16 into 50.25 kg. So first multiply it. After multiplying this 16 into 50.25, we will be getting how much? 16 5 is 80. Next 4 0 8 again 0. So for average weight of 16 balls will be 804 kgs and total weight of 8 boys. This is for 16 boys. Again you find it for 8 boys. Multiply it with 8, 45.15. Again you multiply this 45.15 with 8. We will be getting what? 361.20 kg. So again you have to add these two. So now total boys will be how much? 16 boys plus 8 boys will be 24 boys. Again total weight will be total boys. Again total weight will be 804 plus 361.2, which will be equal to 1165.20. Now average weight of 24 boys will be what? Average weight will be 1165.20 divided by 24 boys, which will be 4 6 4 2 4 9 4 1 4 3 0. Again you multiply, divide it. 6 1 6 4 6 8 point 6565. So average weight will be now what? 48.55 kgs. So what they have asked? Average weight of the all boys in a class. This will be 48.55 kg. So C is the correct answer. For next question, that is question number 14. Read it first. What is the question number 14?
Manju runs around a rectangular park of length 35 meter and breadth 20 meter. Meenu runs around a square park of side 30 meter. Who covers less distance and by how much? If Meenu takes 4 rounds and Manju takes 3 rounds completely.
So there were two friends. Who are they? Manju and Meenu. So they were running around a rectangular park and square park. Manju runs around a rectangular park and makes a 3 rounds. So here is a rectangle which is containing 35 meter and 20 meter. And another one is square park. Square park is having all sides equal, which is of 30 meter, 30 meter. So Manju is making 3 rounds, whereas Meena is making 4 rounds. So we have to find a perimeter of both. Perimeter of rectangular and perimeter of square. So perimeter of rectangular will be 2 into length into breadth. Length into breadth. Sorry, length plus breadth. So she is making 3 rounds. You have to multiply it with 3. So 3 into 2 into 55. So which will be 6, 6 5 is 30, 6 5 is 30 plus 3, 33. 33 meter. So Manju is making 330 meters. Now I have to find for Meena also. So Meena is running around a square path. So find the perimeter of a square. So perimeter of square will be 4 into side. That is, side is 30. So 4 into side is 30. And she is making how much rounds? 4 rounds. So you multiply it with 4. 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 3. 16 into 3 is 48. So total, Meena is making a 480 meters. And what they asked, who covers a less distance? Less distance is covered by Manju. And by how much? Means you have to subtract 480 minus 330. You will be getting 150. So Manju is making a less distance and 150 meter. So wherever Manju and 150 meter is there. So in the option C, you are getting a Manju as well as 150 meter. So this is the correct answer. Next we will read the 15th question. What is that? A photo frame is in the shape of a quadrilateral with one diagonal longer than the other. Which of the following is the possible shape of the photo frame? So here photo frame is in the shape of a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral means it is having a 4 sides which may be either a rectangle, either a square, either a rhombus. So, so parallelogram option is not given here. So either it may be square, rectangular or rhombus. Again, which of the following is the possible shape of the photo frame where the diagonal, one diagonal is longer than the other? In square and rectangle, in square and rectangular, diagonals are equal. Diagonals are equal in square and rectangle. Whereas in rhombus, you are not having any equal diagonals. So here one diagonal may be the longer than the other. So answer will be rhombus here. Thank you.